ileyo performance but compared to i-Sundowns yona yenze kangcono kune-Sundowns ngoba amagoli athe ukuthi xaxa
yeah
ngoba nabo bebedlala nehlathi la ku-Nedbank
yini kwenzakalani akhathele lama team sekune fatigue is it kicking in manje
angazi mina ukuthi i-fatigue kanjani abadlali bebaningi kangaka cause ngicabanga ukuthi ungena kulama team ngokwe level of playing yakho ukuthi uperforma kanjani yabo ukuthi uyafitha lapha ngeke mfethu ungitshela ukuthi uyi-PSL player udlala nehlathi awukwazi ukuzitshengisa noma ngathiwa awudlaliswanga i-original position yakho
showcase
but if the fact that udlala nabantu abale vele nabo abazili ukuthi sizoniyekelela nizalizenzele noma ngayini
bazodlala but experience nokuba mdala kumele kuvele
yeah i-experience ne-level yakho ukuthi i-level yakho iphezulu compared to bona because akekho noyedwa okwadlala kwi-PSL loyamuntu lapha kwiTshakumba
yeah
njengamanje
abasha
yabo
yes not team yakafika ku-PSL
yeah
but sesikhuluma ngabadlali
yeah i-experience lapha
currently
yabo so nje ukuthi bafike lapha bekumele ukuthi 1-2 mhlambe zithi 8-1 phelile umdlalo
phelile wena wabona iMarumo Gallants neOrlando Pirates last year
yeah
ne okay bafethu this was a